How to beat sugar addiction for real. I'm John Laspina, your Carnivore Teacher Alpha, and let's be honest. If you've ever said, I just can't stop eating sugar, you're not weak and you're not broken. You're wired, and once you understand that, you can break it. Now, what sugar is doing to your brain, it's not just food. It hits your brain like a reward signal. When you eat it, your brain releases dopamine, the same neurotransmitter tied to motivation, reward, and addiction. That dopamine spike tells your brain, do that again. And it works because sugar activates the same reward pathways involved in addictive behaviors. Over time, something happens. You don't get the same hit. So what do? You eat more. That's called tolerance. The addiction loop goes like this. Here's the cycle. Number 1, you eat sugar. Number 2, dopamine spikes and you feel good. Number 3, then dopamine drops and you feel low. Number 4, you crave sugar again. And now you're stuck in a loop. Research shows repeated sugar intake can change the brain's reward system, increasing cravings and reinforcing behavior. That's not lack of discipline. That is neurochemistry. Now, this is what it feels like when it's hard to quit sugar. When you remove sugar, your brain doesn't celebrate. It pushes back. You may feel cravings and irritability and fatigue and even mild withdrawal symptoms. Why? Because dopamine stimulation drops and your brain wants it back. This is why people say, I did great for a few days, then I caved. Of course you did. You were fighting your brain without a strategy. Now, here's how you can actually break sugar addiction. Are you ready? We're going to fix this. It's not with willpower, it's with understanding and action. Number 1, replace. Don't just remove something. Replace it. You don't beat addiction by leaving a void, an empty hole. You replace it. Your body isn't craving sugar. It's craving fuel and satisfaction. Eat real nutrient-dense foods, especially protein and fat. Why? Because they stabilize blood sugar. They reduce cravings and they increase satiety. When your body is truly nourished, the cravings start to fade. Number 2, expect the withdrawal window. The first 3 to 7 days are the hardest. That's the reset. Your brain is recalibrating dopamine. So push through that window and something powerful happens. The noise quiets down. It does. Number 3, cut the triggers completely at first. This is important. You cannot moderate something that's controlling you. If sugar is triggering you, remove it. Because every time you just have a little, you restart the cycle. Number 4, understand the truth. Cravings are not commands, they're signals. And signals pass. If you don't act on them, they weaken. Every time you say no, you're literally rewiring your brain. Number 5, build momentum, not perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Each day you stay off sugar, dopamine stabilizes, cravings decrease, control returns, and eventually you stop thinking about it. Here's the bottom line. Sugar addiction isn't about weakness. It's about biology hijacked by modern food. But here's the good news. Your brain can reset. Your cravings can disappear and your control can come back. And when it does, you realize something really powerful. You were never addicted to sugar. You were conditioned by it. And now you're free. I hope you found this helpful. This is a big one. A lot of people ask me to make this video about sugar addiction. I am a sugar addict, ladies and gentlemen. It grabbed me and I needed it and my dopamine was firing like crazy. I could talk to you for hours about how much sugar I used to have and how it controlled me. I'm free now. I'm totally free. I haven't had sugar, candy, cake, bread, carbs in over 8 years as of the making of this video, and I don't miss it. People often say, oh, more power. You must be the most powerful person in the world and have all this strength to be able to do that. No, not at all. It's easy once you break free. Once you tell your dopamine receptors that you don't need to feed that anymore. Share this video with someone you think it can really help. Leave me a question, a comment, or a suggestion. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and click that thumbs up. And thank you for coming to this one. Stay tuned for my next video. I put a new one out every day. Have a good day.